Namaste Ishan.
Namaste Kuldeep Mammu.
We are going ahead with Bhagavad Gita chapter 1, shlokas 40, 41 and
42.
shall we start?
Yes, Mammu.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Kulakshaye pranashyanti
Kulakshaye pranashyanti.
Kuladharma sanatanaha.
Kuladharma sanatanaha.
Kuladharmaha plus sanatanaha. Kuladharma sanatanaha. That is should be there after visarga instead of visarga. Kuladharma sanatanaha.
Kuladharma sanatanaha.
Dharme nashte kulam kritsnam.
Dharme nashte kulam kritsnam.
Adharmo bhivavatyuta.
Adharmo bhivavatyuta.
Once again. Kulakshaye pranashyanti.
Kulakshaye pranashyanti.
Kuladharma sanatanaha.
Kuladharma sanatanaha.
Dharme nashte kulam kritsnam.
Dharme nashte kulam kritsnam.
Adharmo bhivavatyuta.
Adharmo bhivavatyuta.
Let us move on to 41. Adharma bhibhavat Krishna.
Adharma bhibhavat Krishna.
Pradushyanti kulastriyah.
Pradushyanti kulastriyah.
Strishu dushtasu varshneya.
Strishu dushtasu.
Strishu dushtasu varshneya.
Strishu dushtasu varshneya.
Jayate varna sankarah.
Jayate varna sankarah.
Once again. Adharma bhibhavat Krishna.
Adharma bhibhavat Krishna.
Bhavat Krishna.
Bhavat Krishna.
Pradushyanti kulastriyah.
Pradushyanti kulastriyah.
Strishu dushtasu varshneya.
Strishu dushtasu varshneya.
Jayate varna sankarah.
Jayate varna sankarah.
Next one. Sankaro narakayaiva.
Sankaro narakayaiva.
Kulagnanam kulasya cha.
Kulagnanam kulasya cha.
Patanti pitaro hyesham.
Patanti pitaro hyesham.
Lupta pindodaka kriyah.
Lupta pindodaka kriyah.
Pindodaka kriyah.
Pindodaka.
It's not na, it's na. Pindodaka kriyah.
Pindodaka kriyah.
Once again. Sankaro narakayaiva.
Sankaro narakayaiva.
See, your mind is definitely wandering. That is why you are keeping your this namaskara position in a very, very different way. Like this and that and all that. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. Only if you have Shraddha, you will understand Bhagavad Gita. That's what Hrishikesha says. Okay? So be alert. Sankaro narakayaiva.
Sankaro narakayaiva.
Kulagnanam kulasya cha.
कुलघ्नानां कुलस्य च
पतन्ति पितरो ह्येषां
पतन्ति पितरो ह्येषां
लुप्तपिण्डोदकक्रियाः
लुप्तपिण्डोदकक्रियाः.
Can you feel the difference when you sit with Shraddha? Can you? Before you were like doing all these things, no? I can feel you. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Sit with all Shraddha. Now shall we chant? You have chanted it really nice, Uttamam. Now shall we go for chanting together?
Yes, Mamu.
कुलक्षये प्रणश्यन्ति कुलधर्माः सनातनाः धर्मे नष्टे कुलं कृत्स्नम् अधर्मोऽभिभवत्युत अधर्माभिभवात् कृष्ण प्रदुष्यन्ति कुलस्त्रियः स्त्रीषु दुष्टासु वार्ष्णेय जायते वर्णसङ्करः सङ्करो नरकायैव कुलघ्नानां कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरो ह्येषां लुप्तपिण्डोदकक्रियाः. Let us go through the meanings now. Kulakshaye pranashyanti.
कुलधर्मा सनातनाः.
Kulakshaye sanatanaha kuladharmaha pranashyanti. With the destruction of a family, the eternal traditions in the family will perish. Dharme nashte kulam kritsnam.
अधर्मोऽभिभवत्युत.
When the spiritual values are destroyed, adharmaha abhibhavati, unrighteousness predominates the entire family, entire kula. See, Arjuna is saying this to Krishna. Krishna is not saying, Krishna is yet to speak. He is very silent. Arjuna is as if giving lecture to Krishna. Adharma bhibhavat Krishna.
प्रदुष्यन्ति कुलस्त्रियः.
Arjuna continues. When the adharma predominates, O Krishna, pradushyanti kulastriyah, the women of the family become corrupt. I'll tell you about that. Strishu dushtasu varshneya.
जायते वर्णसङ्करः.
O Varshneya, the descendant of Vrishni Kula, when women become corrupt, there arises Varna Sankaraha, intermixture of castes. Sankaro narakayaiva.
कुलघ्नानां कुलस्य च.
Confusion of castes that leads to hell, leads to naraka. For whom? For the destroyers of the family and the family itself. Patanti pitaro hyesham.
लुप्तपिण्डोदकक्रियाः.
Lupta. Lupta means deprived of. The sacrificial offerings like tarpana. Even the ancestors of that family, such families, they fall. You know, Arjuna is now concerned about many things. He is concerned about family tradition. He is concerned about adharma which will happen to the families after war. He is concerned about what happens to women. He is concerned about Varna Sankaraha, intermixture of castes. You know, understand this. Women have a very, 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 very high status in our Sanatana Dharma tradition. She is always considered as a mother. Lalita Sahasranama starts with
Shri Mata, Shri Maharani, Shrimat
Simhasaneshwari. Yeah. Shri Mata, Shri Maharatni, Shrimat Simhasaneshwari. She is considered as mother. She is considered as Maharatni, ruler of rulers. See, she is given the highest status. Even in Devi Mahatmya, Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Matru Rupena Samsthita.
Namastasye, 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 Namo Nama.
Okay, it is not Namastasye, it is Namastasyai. Okay, so
Okay, Mamu.
even in Devi Mahatmya, Lalita Sahasranama, we can see the importance of Stri, a woman. You know, a woman, if she lives like a goddess, she can bring a wonderful divine change in the family and thus to the society too. There is no need to fight for freedom because she wins it through abundance of grace, she wins it through abundance of love, and the society naturally adores her. See, there are many, many, many examples of this in our Bharata Desha. Yatra naryastu pujyante ramante tatra devataha, Manusmriti says. Wherever women are worshipped, divinity blossoms there. Wherever she is not respected, wherever she is not adored, every action will be a failure. That's the importance of Matru Tattva. See here, Arjuna is concerned about lot of things. He says, when adharma predominates, pradushyanti kulastriyaha, the women become corrupt. When the women become corrupt, there arises varna sankaraha. You know, whether you understand or not, just listen to this. When the women become immoral, when they commit adultery, they bear illegitimate children. Varna Sankaraha, that is a big topic. We are not going to get into it. But as a conclusion of today's teaching, just understand one thing, Kana. Respect women. Treat them, consider them as mother. Repeat what I am saying. Om Shri Matre Namaha.
Om Shri Matre Namaha.
Once again. Om Shri Matre Namaha.
Om Shri Matre Namaha.
Here Arjuna is saying lot of things. But you know, Krishna is silently listening to everything. He will answer this from second chapter, chapter 2. Actually, Bhagavad Gita starts from chapter 2. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
So that's enough for today. Keep in mind, consider every woman as mother. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
उत्तमं, बहु उत्तमम्.